Today I want to show you how to make a book binding with a blank for a Ciao Bella album. First I prepare the pages. I color the edges and gesso the curly pages. Then, using watercolor paper or a cardstock, I cut strips with a length equal to the length of the side of the album or the plain binding. The width depends on how much space you need between the pages, and I usually make the width of the flaps 1.5 centimeters. For curly pages, if the pattern is next to the binding, the flap will be smaller. I glue the strips to the pages. Next, I strengthen them on the back side with cheesecloth or cloth. For the outer side of the root, I use cardstock or watercolor paper again, which I glue with a cloth. Then I glue the root to the cover and glue the pages. With this type of binding, the scrap paper is glued after the binding is glued, hiding its details. This binding looks neat and is stronger.